Yes, my people, what you lot saying? It's KATMANDUSOUNDS. You know how it goes. Love for all the love and support you lot been giving me on the channel. I thought, you know what, man, let me show you guys how I really make my beats, you know? Show you the behind the scenes, how it goes down in the studio. So yeah, man, today we're gonna be making a lo-fi drill beat. So lo-fi, it's basically chilled, relaxing vibes. Drill, hard hitting drums, hard basses, and together you get lo-fi drill. So yeah, man, let's see how this goes. I've got Omnisphere open right now, so I'm just gonna probably find a guitar, you know, guitar sound. So yeah, let's see what I've got. Such a bait sound, innit? Do you know what? Yeah, I like that. I don't think I can play that again. Let me try. Yeah, I don't think I can play that properly. So luckily on Fruity Loops, there's this thing that we can do, which is basically anything you've played within the last 30 minutes, you can basically get that back. Do you know what I mean? So if you've accidentally played something but you forgot it, you just go to Tools, Dump Score, Log to Selected Pattern. Obviously for me 2 minutes is calm, because yeah, and then boom, we've got it there. Maybe layer them as well. Maybe I could layer it with a little acoustic. I'm gonna use something called CLA Unplugged. It's for like guitars. Actually, let me use CLA guitars in it. Just to give it a little distortion. But I'm gonna like parallel compress, not parallel compress, but yeah. Velocity, you get me? It's not everyday velocity, but since I'm taking long, I might as well take real long, innit? Lo-fi drill, man. This is what it is. You know what, let me save this in it before it's too late. might swap that. Yeah, I might swap that as the other sound, man. I like to add a bit of pogo, so it's even harder. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, yeah, I usually draw my bass lines and I don't even play them like that. Unless it's a vibe, innit, I do play it, but just for the rhythm. Because right now, I think it's a drawing situation, but I might change, yeah, I'm gonna change the key of the song by 2 semitones. I might even change it 2 more. But sometimes the 808s need to, the bass need to just, you know what I mean? It works with certain. Yeah, it's more. And I think the bass, I'm gonna sidechain it with a kick. As we do. Some people don't do this, but me, it's just the OCD, extra precaution. It might take the vibe away, but it's all good. It's all good, man. It's all good. There is no right, wrong vibe. Every vibe, every day, every situation's different. Oh. Now that sounds like lo-fi. Finally. Maybe we can do a melody now, innit? Nah. video, we could just have the same melody. Looking forward to whoever writes to this, man. Like, literally, because I just want to spit some bars as well. With a lo-fi beat in the studio. Now it's going on YouTube, man. I ain't got no rhymes, but I might sometime. I gotta write my rhymes, then it will come out sometimes. Yeah. Let's see how the beat looks. Time to add some vocals. You know the go-to guys. If you don't know, get to know. Actually, you know, we don't all want to sound the same, but that's music. You get me? It's all good. This software is called Arcade by Output. And it's just got bare like sounds to sample. I swear, anything good, I mean, sounds good on our Arcade. You hear me? Kind of self-explanatory. One more sound. I know less is more, but I want to add like some sort of phrase, so like it gives some inspiration to whoever's writing it. I'm just gonna put a filter to build up the suspense, whatever you want to call it. So intro, 16 bar, chorus, hook, chorus. But yeah, man, beat's done. By the time this video comes out, I'm sure the beat's already uploaded. So for now, I don't have a name for the beat, but yeah, man, it'll be, I don't know, I'll write it somewhere down there in the bio. but the link to the beat should be down there anyways by the time you guys see this. So love for everyone for watching the video. Obviously this is my first one, so hopefully I do more of these in 2022. Let's yeah, man, let's grow together, you know. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one, and yeah, hope to see you guys soon again. Peace and love.